Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson L3160 printhead. Now I can show you how to perform power cleaning on this device. So firstly, we need to find the settings, open it, then find maintenance, and this is the first item in the main settings. Then scroll right and find here power cleaning. Click on it and here. For details of power cleaning, access the following website. Click OK, and we need to scan it. Scan this QR code by your smartphone's camera and open Epson.net. Okay, click OK. And firstly, to start the power cleaning, we need to disable the printer. Okay, so firstly we need to disable our printer. Click on the power button and click turn off and wait a while. Then, after a while, press and hold on this question button. Then press and hold power button too. And it will ask you about run power cleaning, confirm the ink tank is at least a third full, click yes, and now we just need to wait. Okay, that's it. So now just click power cleaning complete. This print quality will be improved after 12 hours, so click OK. And let's try to copy document. I want to copy it in black and white, for example, of course. Copy. Okay, yeah, so definitely now the printing quality is really better than earlier. So thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.